meet again.
And we will be ready.
Papo.
I think we should go. Good idea. Bad idea. That way. Hello. I'll be going this way.
Boys, allow me. Have a nice day.
Yes. You too.